Hi, my name is Denise Geier and I'm in the Dana Wiley Gallery and I am part of the exhibition Art Matters, which runs through March 16th. And I'm here to talk about my painting Dining Room, which I painted up my dining room. So one of my favorite artists is Edward Bouillard, and he does a lot of interiors, and I think I'm drawn to those mainly because I'm home a lot, so I'm always looking around the house to see you know, the lighting composition that just is there from the things that are in the space. So this happened, you know, in this space. Like the cat laid down, the lighting was coming in from the different, you know, rooms, and there was some shadow and all the colors, and so I wanted to try and capture that. And so, yeah, I took a bunch of pictures before she ran away. And I really loved the way the lamp was lighting up this space and reflecting off the door, creating these, you know, contrasts of light. And I loved all the lines of the chairs. I love chairs, so I'm gonna paint a lot of chairs over my time. And I loved how also you were able to see into the other space and to keep your eye moving and going back. And it was fun to paint, and to just to play with color and shadows, and I love it. So yeah, that's why.